Hi everyone. On Windows 11, the modern version of File Explorer includes a feature to show thumbnails for a quick preview of the contents of files, folders, documents, images, or videos. This feature can be handy for quickly identifying files and folders without opening them or checking their names. However, it can slow down browsing or cause problems because the system has to scan and render thumbnails for every piece of content. If your files are well organized, File Explorer is slow to load, or you simply don't need this feature, you can turn off thumbnail previews. And don't worry, if you change your mind, you can easily turn them back on. In this how-to guide, I'll explain the steps to disable and enable thumbnail previews in File Explorer for Windows 11. To get started, open File Explorer on your PC. Next, click the See More menu, represented by the three dots at the top, and select Options from the drop-down menu. Then, in the Folder Options window, click on the View tab. Now check the box for Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails to turn off the feature. After that, click the Apply button to save your changes, and then click OK to close the window. Once you've completed these steps, the File Explorer settings will update to disable or enable thumbnails for files and folders, depending on your preference.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.